meow, meow. Something, something, something by the kitty, meow, meow, meow. She said she'd wed Don Gato. Oh, Don Gato jumped so happily, he fell off the roof and broke his knee.
No!
He broke his ribs and all his whiskers, meow, meow, meow.
Ouch.
And his little solar plexus, meow, meow, meow. What was the last part?
I caramba.
Ay caramba, cried Don Gato.
What was the address again?
101 16th.
All the doctors, they came on the run
16th Street.
just to
Maybe.
see if something could be done.
Could be done.
And they did a consultation, meow, 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 upon how to save their patient, meow, meow, meow. How to save Senor Don Gato. What on the next verse?
No matter everything they tried.
No matter,
Everything they tried.
Senor Don Gato up and died.
It wasn't very.
It wasn't meow, meow, meow. In
Don't
the country or the
stop.
city, meow, meow, meow.
Going to the cemetery.
Go into the cemetery, meow, meow, meow.
Oh,
Careful, buddy.
they're all over.
Nice job.
Gato.